Every AirVenture I come away with a list of items I should have packed. You all have your packing checklist, but let's just make sure that you thought it through carefully and will have everything you need while at Oshkosh. My first EAA AirVenture Oshkosh was in 1988. My buddy Kip Homan and I packed the kitchen sink. My second EAA AirVenture Oshkosh was in 2015. My buddy Joe Baden and I packed more frugally. We really did. I just did not take any pictures. ChatGPT had this vision. My third EAA AirVenture Oshkosh was in 2025. My packing list for 2026 is almost identical to my 2025 list. I flew solo because by 2025 all my friends learned not to fly with me. That's a joke. I don't have any friends. This video focuses on a few items that may have impacted me on past trips to EAA AirVenture Oshkosh. That's my airplane in 2025. The big picture, and good advice if you're air camping at AirVenture Oshkosh, is to read everything on the EAA AirVenture site. Also, if you're flying in, if you're the pilot or assisting the pilot, read the entire 2026 NOTAM. There are also many Oshkosh AirVenture videos in social media, and the link there is to one of my videos flying from Green Lake all the way to touchdown at Oshkosh. The links are provided in the description of the video. So I quickly listed two of the more important links, and if you want to read them, you can stop the video. The best way to prepare might be to do a mental walkthrough of the things you plan on doing at Oshkosh. You'll make that amazing landing with thousands of non-judgmental pilots watching. You'll park your plane with the help of awesome EAA volunteers. Then you'll walk to registration. Do you have payment cards, scan codes, confirmation numbers, ID, EAA member number? When you make that first walk to the showers, do you have beach shoes for walking through the grass, shampoo, soap, and a pouch to carry everything in? When you are tired of walking and would like to stop and watch airplanes land, do you have a small folding stool or chair to rest on? Do you have a backpack for water and snacks? Do you have a plan if a storm damages your tent? What if your airplane tires sink in the soft ground after heavy rain? At EAA AirVenture Oshkosh 2015, my tent was damaged by a severe storm. One of the EAA articles says, prepare for any kind of weather. This directly relates to my suggestions related to your tent. Bring sturdier tent stakes in case of severe weather. Bring tent repair materials and extra tie-down cord. In 2015, I dinged a fence post while being marshaled to the North 40 campground. I was lucky enough to find a vendor who sold the replacement part. EAA loaned me the tools to install my new nav light, but since then I always carry a small toolkit on board, so bring a small toolkit so you can make simple repairs to airplane or tent. Bring an ultralight folding chair for campsite and air shows, and you might want to bring a blanket in case it gets cool for the night air shows. Ultralight so you can carry it with you as you walk around and have it to rest or stop for an impromptu flyby. I learned this last year and bought one on site at last year's AirVenture. Bring a folding wagon for carrying anything bulky or heavy, like ice, food, oxygen tanks, or airplane parts. Bring a portable battery-powered fan. Bring lights. It can be a long walk to the bathroom at night. And yes, I own all of these lights and bring most of them to Oshkosh. The one in the upper right corner is for pre-flight inspections before dawn. Bring something solid to put under your airplane tires to prevent them from sinking into the ground. I use cheap cutting boards from Amazon.
Oh, he's got beat up. Okay, good. That's it.
Bring laundry pods for your laundry and cleaning supplies for your airplane. The final item for me as a pilot is a picture of the church just before you get to Fisk and rock your wings.
Just a half mile south of Fisk, rock your wings. High wing, half mile south, rock your wings. Good, rock. What runway would you like?
Runway 27.
Okay, continue up the railroad tracks for the right downwind to 27, maintain 1,800 till you turn downwind inside the gravel pit.
I know you won't forget the obvious stuff. Thanks for watching.